Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money online teaching maths. So if you are good at maths and would like to start making some money on the side, you can definitely use this website that I'm about to show you to make money. The website that I'm talking about is Got Expert, as you can see right here. All you'll have to do is simply visit this website and sign up. And as you can see right here, you have the chance to earn up to $1,500 per month as an online math tutor. Now let's go over some requirements and also some popularly asked questions about gotexpert.com. As you can see here, you'll be able to work at any time, so you could create your own flexible schedule and choose to work anytime you want. And also you'll be able to work from anywhere, so this makes it perfect for you. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, all you will need is reliable internet access, and once you have your laptop or PC, you can start working. As you can see right here, share and learn. And all you'll have to do is simply submit your application, pass the test that they will send you via email after receiving your application, and start tutoring. And you can see an example right here of student tutor interaction. You can see there. And also let's scroll down to some frequently asked questions. What's the educational background requirement for a Got Expert math tutor? All you'll need to do is be proficient in maths. That's a definite must, and you are expected to be able to answer grade 9 to 12 math questions within 10 minutes, and they do not require you to be certified as a tutor or teacher. However, you will be asked to provide your educational credentials to prove your math expertise, which is expected. And you can see here how much can I expect to earn by solving questions, and the value of each question varies by the difficulty. Your monthly payment may vary on quantity or quality of questions solved, so you can earn up to $1,500. It all depends. And are you only require recruiting tutors from specific countries? You can see they welcome math experts from all countries and regions to be their tutors. And you can see how long should I expect to hear back after you have sent in an application. Usually they would get back to you within 1 to 3 business days. So you can definitely visit this website if you are good at math and would like to start making some money online. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.